Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. And this video is on how you guys can log in into Stride. So Stride is basically a bank for student and teachers and for other people as well. So if you guys want to create a bank account on Stride, you guys can visit the official website of Stride and create yourself an account, right? But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video, everybody. First step is you want to search for Stride, S-T-R-I-D-E. After you search for Stride, you just want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says Stride Login. It's going to take you to the official website called stridelogin.com. Once you're over here, you want to choose if you're a student or you're a teacher. If you're a teacher, you want to go on I'm a teacher or admin. If you're a student, you want to go on student. Let's say I'm a teacher. I just click on I'm a teacher or admin and enter my email or my class or my school or district login code over here. After I do that, I can enter the password of my account. After I do that, I can just click on login and I should be able to log in into my Stride account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.